Hello, my name is Tabata, and today we're gonna see the gastronomic tour in Lima, Peru. The duration of the time is 4 hours, and the tour consists of 4 hours walking through the streets of Barranco. We're going to taste 15 Peruvian foods and drinks in one of the most beautiful neighborhoods of Lima. We will know all the historical and cultural details behind each dish that you will have the opportunity to try during this food tour. The gastronomic tour begins at Plaza San Francisco in Barranco at 10 a.m. You will discover the beautiful Barranco neighborhood during this 4 hours food tour, together with your guide. You will visit a variety of restaurants and small business where, where you will taste the most traditional local specialties. During the tour, 8 stops will be made, which have been carefully selected. You will taste 15 flavors of Peruvian fruits, drinks, and dishes, and you will also meet small entrepreneur, entrepreneurs. You will learn about its history while enjoying the best of Peruvian food. Immerse yourself with your guide in Peruvian history and culture, and as you will see, each bite has a story to tell. Also, it is very likely that you will have the opportunity to try everything that appears below. Keep in mind that the menu may vary slightly depending on the season and the availability of the product, but don't worry. We can assure you that you don't feel hungry at the end of this Barranco food tour. The meals that we will taste are toast with avocado, fresh lucuma juice, variety of fruits such as custard apple, granadilla, aguamanto, and more. Peruvian coffee from the Junín region, Lima coast, ceviche, the most famous dish in Peru, chicha morada, saltado loin, Inca Kola, pisco sour, and artisan ice cream with Peruvian flavors that you can see in images. This is chicha morada, this is ceviche, this is Inca Kola, and this is lomo saltado. And the end of the tours ends in Plaza de Armas de Barranco at 2 p.m. And that's it. Bye.